To get a new Robinhood card, you will need to follow these steps. First, open the Robinhood app on your mobile device and log into your account. If you do not have the app, download it from the App Store and log into your account. Next, navigate to the account icon, which is typically located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the account icon to access the account menu. From the account menu, select the Help option. The Help option will provide you with a list of frequently asked questions and other support. Resources. Scroll down to the Getting Started section and select the Contact Us option. You can also search for the topic Replace Card in the search bar at the top of the screen. Select the Replace Card option and follow the prompts to request a new card. You will need to provide your name, address, and other identifying information to verify your identity. Once you have submitted your request, Robinhood will review your information and mail a new card to the address on file. This process typically takes several business days, so be patient and allow time for delivery. It is also important to note that you can only have one active Robinhood card at a time. If you have lost your card or it has been stolen, be sure to report it to Robinhood immediately to prevent unauthorized use. Additionally, if you are having trouble with your current card, you can also try reaching out to Robinhood support directly for assistance. They can help you resolve any issues and provide guidance on how to get a new card. By following these steps, you should be able to get a new Robinhood card quickly and easily. Remember to always keep your account information up to date and monitor your account activity regularly to prevent any potential issues.